Namaskaram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I wonder what is she up to? So in today's video, I will talk about how I created my other channel, She Walkin. Now this happened 2 years ago and this happened 2 years ago in June 2019. So I had finished university in 2017. Then I was just chilling and doing some internship with my sister for a bit. Then I was like, okay, I want to go out, I want to do something else. And I was the manager at a backpacker hostel for a few months, I think 8 to 9 months. But then that got too much. I was like always talking to people and there were people from all over the world. So it was also a bit overwhelming because there are different accents coming. So it was fun for 2-3 months, 4 months. But then after that I was like, oh my god, this is getting too much. Continued a bit more. Then I was like, okay, enough. I want to come home. I want to look for something else. So I came back home. I'm talking to my brother and I'm like, Bhaiya. So in India we say Bhaiya. Bhaiya is like big brother. That's how we refer to our brother. So I'm like, Bhaiya, I need something. And like right now I cannot really think what I want. So maybe I can be your employee and whatever work you tell me to fix the documents, you tell me whatever, I learn and I'll do it for you and you give me some salary. And he's like, okay, do it. So in the beginning I'm doing some of his CA work, getting the documents together, just like random things. After that was done, I was just getting some salary for free because there wasn't much work. So after that we got to know about this genre where on Netflix actually we saw footage of fireplace and that was it for 2 hours. So we were like, 1 second, interesting. Now, so also I have been traveling for a while now. I have been traveling since 2015, just taking my backpack, solo traveling because like with people I'm not so good. I'm okay, not so bad. So I was traveling and then we looked at this, then we searched some more and then we got to know about this category where you do not really have to make vlogs or be personally involved into something and just get some like nature footage, some fireplace footage. Then we stumbled upon the walking tour category. And since I have always been a little bit of an introvert, so this seemed perfect for me. So like the moment we were like, okay, this looks doable, Bhaiya is like, okay Shiva, I'm gonna buy you a camera and you can still be my employee, like I will invest in this for a little bit and let's see where it goes. So I'm like, okay, I'm in. And like within a week we ordered DJI Osmo Pocket and I was going to the mountains. I was going to Chitkul, I think 2 weeks after that. So my brother told me that, okay Shiva, so my name is Shiva, at home I'm called Shiva, that try the camera out. So I did a few videos in Delhi and in the beginning I didn't really know what my audience is going to like. So I thought that maybe they would like peaceful streets. So every day early morning at 6 I would go take walks. But then those videos were not doing so good. Then one day I did an early morning walk in Old Delhi. Now Old Delhi is mostly the same in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. It's just how it is. So there were people and that video worked. So we realized that okay, this might be the reason and let's try out some marketplaces. Let's try out some places with a lot of people. And that was the secret. And after that, like a lot of my videos worked. And so yeah, I realized that my audience loves to watch people. Like it loves some action. Also, like there's also like nature videos and stuff, of course. But yeah, they love people. So that was the beginning of the channel and it's been 2 years now and it's monetized And yeah, I'm really thankful to my She Walkin family and all the support from my patrons, from my members on YouTube, and I will keep walking. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.